Hi guys, this is Munch Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe now to learn new design in AutoCAD. I will teach you how to do the 2D drawing of this part in AutoCAD. So first of all, let's start with this AutoCAD. Grade mode off, orthogon on, isodraft on. First of all, UCS icon fix. I will choose first line command. This dimension is 60 mm. I will zoom it. Again, line command choose this dimension is 65 mm. Again 30 mm. Upper direction is again 10 mm. Again downward direction is 20 mm. Again 20 mm. Again 20 mm. Now 10 mm. Now again 20 mm. F slope. Again 10 mm. Again 10 mm. This line and this line is connected. Also this line and this line is connected. Again line command choose. This dimension is 25 mm. Upper direction is 40 mm. Again 40 mm. Now again 30 mm. Now again 10 mm. Again 20 mm. Again 20 mm. 20 mm. 10 mm. Then connect it. Again extend the line, downward direction. Again extend the line. Unwanted line is trimmed, so trim command use. This line is delete. Again this line and this line is connected. Again this line and this line is connected. Now again line command choose. This line and this line is connected. Again line command choose. Downward direction 20 mm. Then 15 mm. I will choose axis end. I enter. D diameter 20 mm. This line and this line is delete. Again I will choose copy command. The circle is copy. This side direction is move 10 mm. Unwanted line is trim it, so trim command use. This circle is delete. Again line command choose. Midpoint. This direction is 12.5 mm. Again midpoint. Dimension is 12.5 mm. Again axis command. I enter. D diameter 10 mm. This circle is copied to another side. This point. And this line is delete. So our drawing is completed. Now I will give the dimension. So align dimension 60 mm. $65 mm. Align dimension here 30 mm. 40 mm. 20 mm. 10 mm. 25 mm. 10 mm. 10 mm. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. I will choose span command, center the drawing. So our drawing is completed with given dimension. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.